Alright, here we have a OM617 turbocharged, naturally aspirated, and yeah, had some weird engine knocking noise, so took the bottom end off and we're looking for bad connecting rods, which this doesn't seem to have any. And that's weird. Oil squirters are all there. I'll have to turn that one around to see in piston number 5. But the other 4 are there and they look all in good condition. There's no metal flakes or anything like that going around, so yeah, at a bit of a loss. There's this one. That one's going side to side, like from that way. Let's see if I can do that with any of the others. Okay, I can do it with all of them, so that must be normal. At a bit of a loss. I'm not sure. Alright.